What up, guys? Welcome back to another amazing project. You guys have probably seen a peek of this before, but this is one of the biggest projects we're currently working on in Monrovia, GSA Road, for our client in the diaspora. This is a luxury apartment with a rooftop that'll have space for entertainment and some, bar and happy hour time and things like that. We have some one-bedroom units on the bottom floor, the ground floor. 2 bedroom and 3 bedrooms on the top and a rooftop on the very top, as well as the gym and offices. So this is a big project, very modern. We're going with this. We have all the best people on our team fully involved in here, going back to back. I'm on site pretty much almost every time. So let's take a look here. This is when I first got on the site. Every time when we have a project, as you can see, the ground pretty new. We're just doing a land analysis, starting the fence. We typically like to get the place fenced first before starting the project. That way we have all of our materials and everything in there. Now here is it now after a few weeks when we dug up the foundation. As you can see, the landscape look completely different now because we did clear it out and also started digging foundation. You see the fence in the back, you see the fence all around. The fence is up. Now we can start bringing in materials. I'm chatting here with our on-site engineer, site manager, and the rest of our teams. We're not here today because our materials are coming the next day. So here you can see now, again, foundation is done. Typically, again, I'm on site making sure everything is going good. I have the architectural plan in our hands. We have the drawings, we have the 3D model, we have everything, making sure we're going through everything detailed. This is one of the most important part of the building process, the layout and foundation and the zoning. Very, very important. So I'm always standing side by side with my team, going over everything and talking over everything. Now, let me answer this quickly. People are like, hey, Cephas, we saw you've been doing photography. Aren't you a photographer? Look, I've been into real estate for a while. Photography, of course, is my business. I love it, my passion. I'm very good at it, still doing it. However, I've been into the real estate area or environment for a while. And also what we did is just put together an amazing team. The team for Vision Estate is made of engineers, architects from all over the United States, all Liberians, people in Liberia and all around the world came together and created this amazing company. So look at this now. Look at the difference. Now the building is already up. Ground floor is completely done. Like you see here, these are going to be some luxury stores and salons at the bottom and the luxury apartments on the top. Look at this. See, the video I showed you previous, there was nothing on there, just the plain ground. We're looking at just the assessment. Now we do the foundation. You see the walls are up now. Foundation is completed. Now we're just at the casting phase for the ground level. This phase, again, very tedious, making sure everything is good. The structure integrity is great because this is going to be a 4-story building, right? So 3 floors with the rooftop that has everything is up there. We're gonna have a water tank, a gym, an entire open area. So like you see here, you see this, all of our materials on site. See the cement mixer on there. We're not doing cement mixing with the shovel and wheelbarrow like people usually do. This is a big project, so we have the big cement mixer on site, the yellow machine right here, like you see right there. So our guys are on there. Typically by this time when I'm on site, maybe most of the heavy work is done in the morning. I come there, we're there all the time. Engineers constantly talking with the clients, doing video calls, doing analysis. Myself, the on-the-ground engineer, the architect, the client, every time we're on conference calls, Zoom calls, just making sure everything is going great. Look at this right here. In the previous video, you see I was walking down this side and there was nothing there. Look, the building is up. This is going to be the hallway for the apartments downstairs, right? It's going to be luxury apartment, 1 bedrooms downstairs and the 2 bedroom on the first level and the 3 bedroom on the second level. The rooftop is going to be just office. It's going to be, like I said, gym and everything. So at this stage, again, very crucial, making sure everything is good, making sure the walls are up, the columns are strong, just checking everything. Plumbing is being done, looking at the electrical plan. Every part of the building process, very, very, very tedious. We're not doing anything the Liberian way. Oh, how we do it here in Liberia? No, everything is being done very, very to the high standard and very professional. and all my team are going at it. So as you can see here, that's what we have going on. Don't forget to reach out though. If you do, like I said, we're taking on a few more projects outside of our estate, so we don't want to do too much before we're not able to deliver. So right now, if you have land somewhere else, if you want to build something new, if you have something going on, you want it to complete it, if you have an existing home, you want it completed, renovated to make it look more new and modern, let us know. Our team is amazing, made of guys with over 30 years of experience in construction, electrical, engineering, plumbing, all of those. We came together and created one of the best, strongest, professional, seasoned companies in Liberia. So look at the building here. As you can see, man, when I showed the previous video, there was nothing here. See the fence back there, everything is going up. Back here is going to have car parking and things like that. And also right here, we're building a reservoir, like you can see here. The reservoir is going to be on top, but on the bottom here is going to be storage for different things, maintenance stuff. Back here is all going to be storage. So we're putting that up as well. It's going to be a little bit high because of the water. When the water pressure to go all the way upstairs. We are going to have those pumps there though. But let's take a look at the land here again. Look at this. All of this. See this? Previous to the video you just saw, this I was looking, just doing the foundation digging stage. So again, man, one of the biggest projects we have going on, luxury apartment. Let's change the landscape of how housing looks in Liberia. Reach out to our Vision Estates Liberia.